My name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the BoostCharge Pro Magnetic Power Bank 5K by Belkin in the sand colour. I picked this up from the Apple Store London Regent Street for £60, and it comes in a white box with a USB-C wire. It features Qi2 15-watt charging at 5000 mAh. Apple claims it's up to 16 hours extra battery life. I don't know about that. I just know that I'm able to charge my iPhone 16 Pro from 20 to 80% and still have 2 bars left. I love the neutral beige colour. The strong magnets really connect well with the Apple silicone case. It's compact minimal design and lightweight at just 150 grams. The kickstand is a game changer for me. It feels really sturdy. Sometimes I just use it without charge to stand upright while working on my desk. While it's on the side, nightstand clock mode kicks in while charging. You can also charge 2 devices at once, either your phone or AirPod Pro wirelessly with another device like an Apple Watch for example. This is the perfect iPhone accessory for those who may travel a lot and want a battery boost without the bulk. What I noticed that this power bank doesn't get piping hot, even when I charge the power bank while wirelessly charging my phone. I now rock the smaller iPhone, so I was looking for something that doesn't look too bulky, and yes, it's me having a fake conversation with myself for the video. Overall, I'm super happy with this purchase. Yes, £60 is a lot for a power bank, but Belkin sells the bigger 8 and 10,000 mAh banks for £40 to £50, which is kind of funny that the smaller capacity costs more, but then again, Apple tax is real. As usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please comment charge to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, which power bank are you rocking? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.